I can't even tell you how many near-death experiences I've had trying to cut up a mango. And that was because I didn't know how to cut them properly. You don't peel it first. You really don't. What you do is you set it on its little navel there, and you cut it just off center to the side. What you want to do is you want to cut around the pit. There's a wide, flat pit in the middle of the mango, and you can just cut around that. Get a nice big slice of mango flesh here. And then I'm just gonna cross hatch it in the skin. And, oops, try not to cut through the skin. It's more work for you. You can make a salsa out of any fruit or vegetable. All you need is fruit and vegetables and something acidic. In this case, we're using lime juice. And I have some chopped jalapeno pepper, some scallions, and some cilantro. Now, cilantro haters, I know you're out there, but we will represent for you in another video. There we go. Did not cut myself. There we go. Yes.
It's just in there changing the shower curtain. You left your linger in there. These bras and panties and things. That old man wants to use it.
Okay. Can you just mix these things, and I'll go take care of that. I'll remember leaving stuff in here. This is not ladies. These aren't for ladies. Is that just,
Oh, yeah.
is that what maybe you thought I'd wear, or hi?
Excuse me.
Awkward. Really awkward.
I'll go in there and fix the shower curtain so
Okay,
we
why
can take a shower.
don't Enjoy. This looks nice.
I cooked it.